Hey everybody. Obama, does he care? Does he care? Does he really care? Or is it Obamacare? The health plan? No. Obama cares. Obama cares. He took care of me this time. He took care of me this time. And you know, I've been telling you that I didn't think he cared. I didn't think he cared. He don't care about me. He cares about me. Look, it's love from Obama. Now, let's go ahead and see what's happening with some money. This is Dr. Philip Dryas, and I'd like to tell you, I'm very happy because it looks like the president took care of me through FEMA, because I'm living in my own little apartment right now, the first time I've had a place in years. And I got me a roommate, and my roommate's another veteran. And everybody thinks I'm a white boy and black skin, so I'm hanging out with another white boy. So there's two white boys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Go ahead, brother.